version.
Binit!
Kaya nga diba, naka-square.
Hindi ko siya binita.
Okay,
Pwede
nakapatay
iba.
naman siya.
Graphics.
What
Oh
the
my god!
Ano yun?
May sampa yung baril mo. Walang tumama ni isa, gago.
Tangina, Odin yan, par.
Ayan.
Naku, rinig.
So,
Naku,
how do we
rinig.
play?
Start game.
Gago.
Invite friend.
Hmm.
Create
monster niya.
room name.
Bilan.
Mga bading.
Duo lang talaga yan, walang ano. Walang iba, walang iba.
Julian.
Ay.
Play from start.
Gago, may ulti. Gulis ka niya, par.
Horror librarian.
Oh, may rolls pa. Shell.
Ayan.
Wait, dinig
Tap
kita
mo na yung
game
spike.
eh.
Pinaglaro
Kaya
ka.
nga.
Ano, mag-mute ba tayo sa Discord?
Maganda na yung post plant nila eh. Ba't kayo mag-mute?
How do I mute you in game?
Wait lang mamaya sa set.
Sige.
Start ka na.
Verb.
Day from start.
Iwan natin yung A-side.
Tapos nag-5 stack eh.
Tangina ko lang mag-isa dun eh.
Oo nga. Yan, para hindi mo kasalanan ah. Diyan ka sana sa botos. Ano rank dyan?
Silver.
Openis.
Kaya pala. Ang unpredictable ng Reyna kanina.
Yes.
Kaya pala nanalo wag may Odin. Oh, nag-iinga.
Pang, puta. Inodin na si Idol.
That's you and Miramir.
No. Naku-ulti kaya pala. Mabilis
Ikaw
ako
ang
mahirap.
Ang favorite kong...
Favorite Odin. Ay! Anong Odin yan? Ba't parang ano? Bagay kay Sage, no? I-trade na. I-wall mo. Ay, may ulti sila. Ay, sayang.
Dapat in-stick niya. Sayang. Natakot si Idol.
Wala.
Kung tago siya dun sa ano, sa generator eh.
Tago naman siya eh. Sayang.
Yun lang yan. Nagugutom.
We were here.
Nandyan kami.
Weh.
Nandun kami dati.
Tara, try natin PUBG.
PUBG. True ba?
Hello!
Hello. Ay, wait. Proximity voice chat ata.
Oh, proximity to.
How do I turn off voice chat volume 0? Ayan. So,
If that is...
what do we do?
Audio options oh.
I
Yan,
got
watch out
Oh,
volume.
may walkie-talkie. Okay.
Ay, may walkie-talkie naman pala eh.
Between the eyes. Oh, shit.
Between the eyes.
May
Proximity,
I have a
proximity
paper.
voice chat.
I have
The
May
a-
Discord
answer
naman.
lies... Tangina, the answer lies. Yun lang nakalagay.
Sinungaling daw yung sagot.
Sinungaling daw. Oh, sinungalingan daw.
Oh.
Uy, gago. Uy, may walkie-talkie. Nakita ko.
Cat,
Pag pinipindot siya na.
cat, tite, lollipop, tao, mukha. Cat, tite, lollipop, tao, mukha.
Feeling ko na sa A.
Cat.
Ano ulit?
Yan.
Doon na dito.
Cat, tite, lollipop, tao, mukha. Basta may
Cat.
mga libre. Cat, tite, lollipop, tao, mukha.
Lollipop, tao.
Mukha.
Natatawa ko sa sinasabi ni Julie.
May mga symbols dito eh.
Ang ganda na.
Ay, ito, tite.
Ang
Ano
game
mo
plan nila
na?
eh.
Cat.
Cat, tite, lollipop, tao, mukha. Basta maraming libro dito na may symbols eh.
Oh, ba? Ay,
Uy, gago.
Ito, na,
105! 105 sabihin mo!
tao.
ito naman, furry,
Ah, oh.
legs,
Ay, nag-rotate. Ay, hindi pala.
tao.
Ano yung pinakauna?
Wala na pala
Like,
time.
cat head.
Eh...
Teka lang, lakas ng muyos.
Oo nga, wait lang, hinaan ko lang din yung Discord. Hinaan ko lang din yung Discord. this game.
Sige guys, akong kukuha ng spike para sa inyo.
Nakikita akong green at saka blue na mata.
Ilaw.
Green at blue
May
na mata. Ay, green at blue. Ano yan? Yung circle na may X. Tapos
Circle na
may
may
line
X.
straight down. Basta parang
Line
target na
straight
may
down.
asterisk. Yun, circle na may asterisk. Tapos letter A na may third leg.
Letter A naman ito.
A na may tite. Ayun.
Ano ba yung control
Ang ganda ng description mo, Julian.
Ay, wait.
Interact
ako.
letter E.
Yeah,
A na may tatlong...
Putang ina naman.
A na may pangatlong leg.
Letter E, ay yung may asterisk, tas yung A.
Green at blue,
Okay,
diba?
nakalabas na ako.
Green left,
okay na,
tapos
okay na.
ayan, okay.
Okay, next room na ako.
Next room. Andito ako, may mga portraits ng ibon. Does it correspond with
Portraits.
anything with you?
Ang boring yan.
May may picture na ibon na may skull yung ulo.
Ano yung pwesto niya? Ano position niya?
Wait lang, may nakita akong symbols.
Julian Marie.
I think ibibigay mo sa akin yung
Jem,
Yung code.
yung
may corresponding symbol sa ilalim ng portrait
Damn.
ng mga
wala
ng
ata
ibon.
si Jem.
ano yung ilang portraits ng
Baka
ibon
may
na
kinuha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
yung hinahanap ko
Nasa phone ka
ibon
na.
na may
Skull. Oo.
Ma?
Nasa phone ka na.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lakas ng Discord ko.
Good
Ano yan,
night.
Ramir? Ibon na may skull.
ibon na may skull.
Ilan ba yung may ibon na may skull dito? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Disconnect niyo ako pag Julian.
5. Sure. Lima yung ibon na may skull dito.
Tapos yung ibon may parang horseshoe siya. Yung back legs niya.
Ibon. Horse.
Tapos white yung pakpak at saka yung buntot.
Okay. So, ang symbol ay, how do I describe this? Uod na nalitaw sa table.
Oo, doon nalitaw.
Yung ulo may
O,
cross.
pati niya ng live ni Julian na
Ay, yung
nako-curious.
yung nasa gitna. Yung left.
Okay.
Like, yung uod na may nanalitaw ulo sa table, candle
Okay, okay.
holder, tapos,
Candle holder.
Wait lang. Teka, hawak niyo yung uod.
Candle holder.
Basta yung yung parang fork,
Sunod.
yung fork na may tatlong bilog kada prong.
Oo nga.
ganun. Tapos parang
Bakit? Ayun.
how do I describe this fucking
Ano yung pangatlo? Sige, sabihin mo.
uod
Okay
na
na.
may
Ay,
may
Okay
dalawang
na, tapos na.
Mali.
uod na may
Uod.
uod na may apat na limbs pa V siya, dalawang V na parallel.
Uod na may apat na limbs.
Yes, basta dalawang V yan, dalawang V, tapos may line, squiggly line
Ay, yung
na pa
ba yun nasa
vertical.
bottom right? Ay, no? Bottom right.
Wiggly line na pa vertical, tapos
Nagulat naman, nagulat
may
naman
dalawang
ako.
V.
Oh.
Did you get it?
I get.
Yun yung una.
Hindi. Bale yung una is yung yung may nasa na yun? Oh my god. Ayun.
Eh, yung yung may squiggly lines.
Ay, wait, nag-iba. Ay, wait. What?
Nag-iiba ba?
Eh,
Ay,
ganun
hindi,
pa rin
hindi,
sa
magkapal.
hindi. Tama.
Ganun pa rin naman.
Bale yung una is yung uod na may yung ulo is may X. Tapos yung
Okay.
tinidor, tapos yung may uod na may limbs.
Wait.
Oo.
Uod na may limbs.
Yun nga yung may squiggly line na pa letter V, dalawang letter V.
Okay. Nakita ko na.
Yan. Fucking symbols, man. How do I describe these?
Yung symbols.
Gusto ko tuloy mag-escape room tayo IRL.
Gago!
Yung gusto ko eh.
Baka nag-aaway
Ano yung position niya?
dalawa.
Paano position?
Pang ilan yung squiggly line na may V?
Pangatlo.
Pangatlo.
Yes.
Tapos yung
Yung
yung pabilog 'di ba? Yung may prong.
yung may prong na bilog-bilog, gitna,
Okay,
second.
bilog. Mali yun na nakuha.
Yun yung may
Basta
point.
tinidor siya na may ulo-ulo.
Okay na.
Ayan.
Okay na. Next na.
Next
Oh,
one.
pipes.
Nasaan yung next ko?
Sa likod mo.
Pipes ba?
May pipes.
Okay, may pipes dito.
May pipes din sa akin.
Okay, what is this? Okay.
Tapos parang may mga yung parang frame. Ewan.
What in the fuck?
Purple door.
What the the
Yung nakalagay na
Purple na kulay
purple.
green.
Oh my god,
Ito.
what is this?
Purple green text.
So, meron ako
Purple,
ditong
purple.
tatlong cogs. Ay, basta yung tatlong wheel na iniikot. Basta yun. Isang blue, isang red, isang yellow.
Isang blue, isang red, isang yellow.
Yeah. Sabihin ko sana tingnan mo stream ko kaso that's cheating.
Isang
Ito,
blue.
na-
Ay, wait lang, tumataas yung tubig.
Yeah.
Pick, try na.
Hindi ko alam kung gagawin ko.
Ina mo, kung pumic ka di sana
Oh,
ng
Wait
hill
lang,
kita.
be. The water is rising. I don't know.
Kailangan mo lumubog.
Purple.
purple.
May nakalagay na purple sa door.
Okay, purple. Ayan, purple. Ay, ano na. Okay na. Ano nangyari?
Okay.
Ano next?
Nawala na yung tubig.
Ano yung next?
Oh. Ay, isa lang sa inyo pwede mag-solve.
Okay,
Boom.
nasa
Yeah,
next.
may puzzle kami tapos i-assist siya ng isang tao.
Tapos,
Kaya pala may
okay, nasa
proximity
next.
Ah,
Bring down the... Ano yung nakalagay?
Tapos may map ako dito.
Bring down the guiding light.
The guiding line.
Go,
Oh
go,
my
sinaksak.
god. Sinaksak yung
Bring down
open.
the guiding light. Saan ka na?
Gag, kawawa.
World's
Wala,
greatest
pag
chess
nangyari
moves,
na
wala.
FF na yan.
Saan yun?
Bring
Ito
down
ba
the
yun?
guiding light.
Wala, di
Tingnan mo
mo
na
na
ako.
ako.
Bring down the
Di ako
guiding
nagka-try hard dito.
Pwede mo patayin
Wala
yung
ko ng
torch.
assassination classroom.
Yung torch?
Download ko yung PUBG after.
Yung
Shade.
torch?
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Bring down the guiding light.
Bring down the guiding.
Okay po.
Wait, nandito ako sa painting room. May mga torch dito and pinapatay ko.
Marami din akong torch na nakikita.
Wait, kada may pinapatay ako, may tumutunog. Ayan, I turned off the torches. Pero
Ba't may torch na hindi napapatay?
may naririnig, ano yun? Pinapanood ko ba stream mo? Hindi ko lang pinapanood stream mo, ba't may naririnig ako?
Baka yung akin yun. Yung pagpatay ko ng torch.
Yeah, maybe.
Dami naman. Baka hindi naman ito yung gagawin. Eme lang. Hindi ko mapatay yung iba. Uy, gago! Ano yun?
Ayun ang smoke
Tumunog.
yan.
Ba't
Hindi naman ito tumunog.
I'm just trying to insert this here. Ayan. So what do I do? May projector ako dito eh. Tapos naglagay ako ng something pero I don't know how to turn it on. It's labeled World's Greatest Chess Move. Chess move, hello? Anyway.
World's greatest chess move.
Wait lang. Oh wait, may lever dito. Wait.
Anong lever?
It's like a lever that's like glowing white on the tip. I pull the lever.
May gate
May
dito na
tumutunog.
kulay green.
I hear music. Oh, wait. Nailaw yung map ko.
Ano meron?
I have a map here. I don't know if same layout.
Ay, baka nasa maze ako.
Yeah.
Ang
Wait. Yeah, I think nasa maze ka.
Tangina, naligaw na ako.
May mga red tsaka blue na doors dyan. Red, blue, green.
Okay, may nakita akong green.
Green, like nakabukas siya.
Nakasara.
Nakasara. So, punta ka doon sa green na door. Harap ka doon sa green na door na yun. Tapos, talikod ka agad. So, like, nakatingin ka sa hallway. Diretso sa hallway.
Diretso sa hall.
Oo. Like, dikit. Hindi, I mean, like, like, punta ka muna doon sa ano. Pumunta ka muna doon sa green na door. Like, face the door ka muna. Tapos, talikod ka. Para nakaharap ka sa hallway.
Okay.
Tapos, meron kang ano, may mga madadaan kang
Gago!
straight left at right.
Bobo, nakapag-crouch.
Yung left ko, tas yung right wall.
Yung left, punta ka doon sa left. Tapos may, left. Tapos sundan mo lang yung daan na yan.
Nasa corner ako.
Wait, what? May
Pili ko na sa kabilang side yun. Kasi magkabilang side to eh.
Pumasok ka... Oh my... Oh no. What? How do you restart where you are? Oh my god. Ay, gago. Namatay yung ilaw.
Wait lang, explore lang ako. Ang gago, no? Ba't ang dilim dito? Ano bang pinapakita sa mapa?
Ano lang, like yung daan.
Daan lang.
Yeah, like I see yung may mga doors na naka-block.
May nakita akong red na door na nakabukas.
Like galing doon sa green door.
Ay! Ito may green door na nakabukas.
Yeah,
Tapos
may red
malapit
door.
doon may nakasarado na red.
Red door. O, diretso ka dyan. Wait.
Sa green.
Kasi I think by order mo. Kasi dito sa map, merong mga green door. May mga pairs ng blue door, red doors, and green doors. Tapos, bale, tig-isang...
May nakita ko lever.
Tig-isa sa color ng mga doors na yon is naka-lock. Tapos tig-isang per color is naka-unlock. Tapos may mga X. May green lever kang nakita, no?
May green lever ako nakita.
Oo, pag inopen mo yun, magsasara ba yung green door?
Wait lang,
Sa malapit sa'yo. I know where you are.
Nagsarado.
Nagsarado. Okay.
Nagsarado.
Buksan mo muna yan. Tapos,
Okay.
diretso ka ulit through that green door. Kasi may
Okay.
nakasaradong blue door dun eh. Pag dinaretso mo pa yun eh. So, balik ka dun sa tapos may nakabukas na red door. Di ba? Yan. Tapos, wait. Left, right. Tapos right ka.
Nakabukas na red door.
Right ka, pabalik dun sa may green na door na sarado ulit.
Light, okay.
Ay, wait.
Right.
Namatay yung ilaw
Okay,
ulit.
nakasarado yung green.
Wait, namatay yung ilaw. I'm turn it on ulit.
Yeah.
So, nandun ka sa green door, di ba?
Nakasara.
Tapos, alam mo yung bukas na blue door
Bukas na blue door. Wait lang.
sa like, kapag nasa right siya ng saradong green door. if
Ito,
bukas na blue door. Like, diretsohin mo lang yan.
Okay.
Tapos, may maaabutan kang may padaretso, tapos may pakaliwa.
Pagdiretso, kaliwa.
Like, diretso ka lang. Like, sundan mo lang yung daan na yan. Tapos, magkakaroon ka ng two-way.
Nakita kong white na door.
White na door. Balik ka doon. May room doon na may blue lever sa malapit doon sa white na door na yun. Nalagpasan mo.
Okay.
Kita mo?
Sa kaliwa? Ay, ayun, nakita ko yung
Yung blue lever. Okay. So, balik ka doon sa may white na door. Diretsohin mo yon, tapos kanan. Like, lagpasan mo yung white na door.
Okay.
Tapos, diretso, tas kanan.
Diretso kanan.
Tapos,
Sa pinaka-do... Ay, okay,
Oo.
sa kanan.
so may bukas na dyan na blue na door.
May gumagapang.
Gago. May bukas na blue na door na dyan. Like, diretso,
Sa kaliwa kanan.
kakanan ka. Tapos, may bukas na blue door na dyan.
Okay, bukas yung blue door.
Oo. Tapos, andyan, sa room na yan, andyan
Yung
yung
green
green na
switch.
lever. Oo, i-switch mo yon.
Okay.
Tapos, go back the way you came.
Tinatakbo nila yung Reyna.
Go back the way you came.
Tapos, i-switch mo ulit yung blue lever.
Okay.
Ay, wait, namatay na naman yung ilaw. Oh my god, this is annoying.
Blue lever.
Doon ka na?
Ito, okay, nandito na ako. I switched it na.
Okay, tapos, like, alam mo pa yung daan papunta doon sa saradong green door room?
Hindi.
Like,
Nakalimutan ko.
paglabas mo ng blue lever room,
Blue
right?
switch.
Oh, right ka,
Right.
tapos
Tapos,
sundan mo na
kaliwa.
lang yan. Tapos bukas na yung
Okay.
green door dapat dyan.
Ito ba yun?
Bukas na yung green door, tapos may red lever sa loob.
Green. Ay, ito yun, yung red level.
Ayan. Okay, switch mo yan. Tapos balik ka doon sa blue lever.
Blue lever.
Na-switch mo na yung red?
Na-switch ko na.
Okay. So like balik ka sa blue lever, i-switch mo ulit yung blue lever.
Blue lever.
Blue lever. Lang.
O, anong lugar to?
Okay na?
Wait lang.
Okay.
Hindi pa.
Spin mo lang.
B-hopping.
Malaki ba?
Oo, B.
Damn.
Hindi naman sobrang laki, ano. Ito, nandun ako sa blue switch. I-switch ko?
I-switch mo yung blue.
Okay.
Tapos like labas ka ulit doon tapos lagpasan mo ulit yung
Left.
white door papunta doon sa green
Okay.
lever. Diretso tas kanan.
Okay.
Namatay ulit yung light.
B-hopping. Green lever. Green lever?
Oo. Nakita mo yung green
Okay.
lever, i-switch mo yan para magbukas yung yung green door. Tas ayan, bukas na yung red door sa left pag lagpas mo nung green door.
Okay.
Tapos yan, makakalabas ka na dyan.
Period.
Period. Oh my god.
Ayan, nakalabas na ako.
Oh my god. Paano ako?
Ng fucking freezing.
Paano ako?
Wait lang. Ako ata mag-aano. May chess piece ako na nakikita.
Chess piece? Chess piece?
Chessboard.
Oh, okay. I have a fucking... I don't know how to switch this on though. Wait, may door pa dito eh. Ayan, kumabukas. It's locked. How do I turn this on?
Wait lang, may nakikita akong parang generator dito.
Ay, ayan.
Pero-
Baka yan yung kailangan.
Pero hindi ko alam kung paano i-turn. Ay, ito! Wait lang. Okay. Gets.
Yeah, kasi
Wait
hindi
lang.
ko nabubuksan.
Hindi ko lang yung generator.
Hindi ko mabubuksan yung projector with the chest.
Ayan, okay na. Okay.
Ayan. It's not turning on. Ay, oh, yun. Okay. Ayan. Okay, 4,
Nice, no.
3. Okay. Ano tong chest na to?
Wait lang.
Okay.
The following sound effects.
Wait! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait! Ang bilis!
Baka umulit naman. Pag ina, I'm freezing. What the fuck?
Girl, ang bilis ng paggalaw ng chest. I can't. Oh my god. Okay. Hindi ko sa ulo yung pangalan ng chess pieces. Wait. Game
Sabihin
ka
mo
na
lang
ba?
rook, horse, bishop.
Okay. Okay,
Mamatay na si Ramil.
first is rook to e4.
Oh no.
Yung na e4.
GG.
Rook to e4.
Left or right side? Anong color?
White.
Which rook? Yung left or right?
Right.
Okay. Rook to...
Ay, hindi! Ano ba yung rook?
Pon
Yung
yan,
pinaka-corner.
be.
Pawn
Pawn
pala
yung
yun.
yan.
Pawn pala, sorry be. Pawn to e4.
Pinakadulo na right?
Hindi,
Na
like
pawn?
pawn. I mean, yung nasa pinakaunahan, yun yung pawn. Pawn to e4.
Higa muna.
Pawn to e4, tas bishop to
Wait lang,
Mamatay na
lang.
si Ramil.
c4.
Which pawn though?
Yung nasa eBay.
Wala kasi akong nakikitang letters.
Ay we, 1, 2, 3.
Nasa harap ng queen.
Bale yung
Nasa
ano,
harap ng queen. Putang ina be!
basta yung horizontal, yun yung alphabet, yung vertical, yun yung numbers.
King pala yan. King.
Oo.
Which one is the queen?
The taller one. What?
Basta
Period.
basta ano, pawn to e4.
Parang mali.
Mali,
bishop
be.
to e4.
Mali
King
nga.
na, be. King. Hello.
King yung may cross.
Ay na be, walang cross.
Yan
Wala
na yung
nakikita
nasa
cross.
ulo.
Yung cross sa ulo, be. May maliit na cross sa ulo. Yung matambok na crown.
May itsura kasi yung ano niya. Ano ba yung chess pieces niya?
Oh, shit.
Yung chess piece, be.
Basta.
How do I reset this?
Namamatay na si Rami.
Fucking dying over here. May checkpoint naman doon. Ang inang yan.
Basta ABCD, horizontal. Like, kapag sinabi kong pawn to E4,
Horizontal.
kung anong pawn yung nasa...
Ito siya, no?
corresponding sa ano.
A, B, C, D.
Oh. Tapos yung 1, 2, 3, 4, yun yung vertical. 1
Okay.
is pinakababa. Tapos, yun.
Okay.
Ayan. Okay.
Starting from the white, no?
Oo,
Pinaka-
white.
Bottom left.
White, pawn,
Damn, look at my screen.
pawn to E4. Tapos,
Wait lang, be. Tagal na mamamatay. Gusto ko na mamatay.
pawn to E4, bishop to C4. Sinasaulo ko lang yung moves. Queen to F3. Queen to F7. Okay. Wait, gagalawin mo rin ba yung black na piece? Or kusa siyang gumagalaw?
Oo. Salitan
Oh
sila.
My
Ayan.
God.
Salitan
Namatay
sila.
ka na?
be. Hindi pa.
Girl,
Pero yung screen ko putang ina.
pwede ko bang isulat?
Pwede
Girl,
naman.
it's all moving so fucking fast. I need to write this down.
PUBG.
Putang eh.
Tagal na mamamatay, oh.
PUBG.
Sige, I'm gonna,
I'm gonna download the
E4.
PUBG.
Tapos,
Go. Hindi kaya ng computer ngayon.
Shit.
I mean, kaya
Yes,
naman
Spain.
sobrang bagal.
Tangina, this is annoying to look at.
white and black.
Hindi na ako mag-i-install.
Basta salitan yung white.
Oo. Wait lang.
This just kill me now.
Although there's
Kill me. Ang tagal mamatay. Yung mukha ko.
B to C4. B to C6. Oh my god, it's all moving so fucking fast. Pero 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. Okay. So, last is pawn to C6.
Am I gonna die? Cause this is taking so long.
B6.
After ng E4, ano?
Queen to F2. Ay, wait lang. Oh my god! Wait lang, pre. Inaano ko lang para mas maayos. Namatay ka na ba?
Di pa, tagal-tagal. Oh my god, just fucking kill me.
Baka naman may place na napapangtanggal ng ay.
Ayaw nga eh. Punta ko lang. Ayan, namatay.
Oh,
Shit.
Froze to death. Retry from check.
Okay, okay lang yun. Okay lang.
At least malapit ng check.
At least alam natin marami tayong time. Huwag mo sabihin we start from the fucking beginning.
Hindi.
Okay, thank God.
Ito na yung chess piece.
Okay.
Tell me kung nagbago siya.
Ay, yung generator.
Ayaw nga pala. Tangin na.
Ay, kukunin ko pa yung fucking tape sa baba. Oh my God. Bakit siya nabibitawan? I'm not doing anything to you.
Ayan na, open na yung generator.
Ayan. Okay. Wait lang madami naman tayong time so isusulat ko muna lahat.
Sige. Sobrang haba ng ano eh.
Yung 4 moves.
Queen, F3.
Yan yung 4 moves yung ginagawa ng white.
Oo.
Kailangan din bang i-move ni Ramir yung black?
Tao.
Oo,
Kaya
oo.
nililista ko rin yung moves ng black. Queen F3. Knight Queen ay... Oh my god, di ko nakita. Yun yung last move eh. Ito, okay na. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So, sasabihin ko yung mga yung pawn, yung nasa mga pinakaunahan.
Ah,
Yung bishop, yung kayang... yung
Katabi ng
paslant. Oo, basta yung paslant gumalaw.
paslant.
Tapos yung knight, yun yung kabayo.
Kabayo. Ipa-L.
Oo. Tapos yung queen, yun yung...
Yung kahit saan.
Oo, basta yung nasa left ng king. Basta yun yung nasa left. Yan.
Okay.
So, number 1, first move ng white is pawn to e4.
Pawn to E4.
Okay, so second move is ng black is pawn to e5.
Pawn to E5.
Oo.
Okay.
Tapos third move is black tuloy ng is bishop to c4.
Bishop to C4.
Oo. Tapos fourth move for black is pawn to b6.
Pawn to B5,
6.
6.
Fifth move is queen to f3.
Queen to F.
3. Wait, f3. Tama ba?
Wait. Anong queen? Yung white?
Oh, white queen. White queen is queen to f. White queen f3.
F3. Wait lang. I'm kinda dumb. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Okay.
Ayan, F3.
Next move ng black is knight to c6.
Knight to C6.
White naman ulit, queen to f7.
Knight to
Knight to
C6.
c6. Tapos next move, white.
Ay, bobo!
Oh.
Patay, umuulit si Bay.
Okay, alam ko pa yung pawn.
Okay.
Pawn.
Pawn e4, white.
Tapos yung sunod ng black pawn.
is pawn to e5.
Pawn to E5. Tapos
Bishop to c4, white yun.
bishop to C4.
Tapos
C4.
next ng black. Next is for black is bishop. Hindi, pawn to b6.
Pawn to B6.
Next move is ng white.
This
is,
fucking vision.
Next is queen to f3.
Queen
White.
to F3.
Tapos, susunod na move for black is knight to c6.
Knight to C6. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Tapos,
Wait lang, be.
okay.
Yung knight yung horse?
Yes, knight is horse.
Nalito ako sa bishop at knight kanina. Tapos,
Yung last move is queen, white naman, white queen to f7.
F7.
White queen to f7.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, kakainin niya to.
Ayan, period.
Tapos,
Oh my
nasaan na yung
God.
pintuan? Yung pintuan. Come on. Ay, ayun.
Paano ako? May isa pa akong pintuan dito.
Ayan, nawala na yung snow. Putang ina. That was so annoying to look at.
Ano, nasan ka
May
na?
book ako. May book ako.
Okay.
May lalakaran ka ba?
Yes, I have a whole big ass. Marami akong lalakaran.
May parang square, no?
Wait, square.
Ay, hindi. Ako lang ata. Wait lang. Ito yung nasa libro ko. Pusa.
Wait, pusa.
Tite.
Wait, I think I know that book. Pusa, tite, lollipop, tao.
Hindi.
Ay,
Pusa, tite. Tapos, ay, wait lang. Circle. May ulo. Tapos yung,
may dash?
how do I describe this shit? Basta may buntot siya na pa-curve. Tapos
Sa
may
baba?
kamay siya. Oo, sa
Oh,
baba.
yung ulo niya may horizontal
Yung
line.
ulo niya pa oblong.
Ah,
Na horizontal.
Wait.
Tapos yung pang-apat,
Oh.
tawag dito. Yung fork na may pero
Oo,
pa
yung-
diamond siya. Yung tip.
Wait, what? Wait, hanap ako ng libro na ganyan.
diamond yung ano, nakatusok. Tapos yung last, bangka. Tapos may circles na malaki sa taas.
Wait, I'm gonna find... Ayun, I think I found it. Wait. Yung pangatlong character, may plus ba yung ulo niya or hindi? Oblong lang?
Wala. Oblong na mahaba.
Okay, where is that?
Pa-horizontal yung haba.
Ayan, I think I found it. Pusa, tite, oblong na mahaba yung ulo, yung tinidor na pa
May
diamond.
triangle. Ay, pa diamond yun.
O tapos parang pa V na baliktad yung paa niya sa ilalim, tama? Nung tinidor.
Oo.
Tapos may bangka na may bubong, tapos may matang malaki sa taas.
Oo.
So, ano gagawin ko dito? It's green. The book
Hindi
is,
ko nga
is
alam.
color green.
Kasi
Ay, wait, may
parang
nakasulat sa likod.
dadaanan ako eh.
May nakasulat sa
dadaanan
likod, may nakasulat sa likod. Oh my god.
ako. May 5x5 ano, floor.
Apakaliit ng putang inang text. Lalapit ko mukha ko sa screen, wait. In the
Nasa
western
5x5.
corner lies your start. Wait.
Western corner.
Wait, alin ang
Okay.
west?
Yung
West
kaliwa.
is left? Okay.
Oo.
In the western,
Western
corner lies your start.
Start.
Keep moving north but
Keep
watch your
moving
step. Before the last tile, you must head east.
Before the last tile,
You must head east.
mas head east.
After
Tap.
these 2 steps, take 1 step towards the south.
Yung pa-east bus, ano, hanggang dulo.
Before you must head east. Walang nakalagay eh.
Okay.
Nakalagay lang after
Diretso lang.
these
Ay,
2
kago,
steps.
namatay ako.
Nakalagay
Ayun lang.
after these 2 steps. So siguro 2 steps east.
2 steps. Oh.
So
Eh, wait, nagbago ba siya?
Bago?
Nagbago ba ulit?
Ano yung book?
Gago, nagbago pag namamatay.
Ano yung symbol? Ano yung symbol?
Pusa yung una, yung huli, boat ulit, pero pa, ano siya, hindi siya yung bilog.
Oo. Wait, I know that.
Rectangular na siya, yung nasa taas.
Pero yung tinidor is pa
Bilog. Tas, ano,
Oh, pa ano na siya,
straight
angular,
lines.
angular.
angular, oo.
Tapos oblong pa rin yung ulo. Okay, I know that book. Thank
Okay.
God I was looking at the books. Oh my God. So ito, starting in the far west corner, one moves
Far
north
west.
thrice. So pinaka west corner, ano,
Move.
3 steps north, 3 steps forward.
1, 2, 3.
Take
Puta,
one.
hello?
Ay,
Mali. Oh my God.
Oh, sorry. May nakalagay kasi take 1 step south. Hindi ko nasabi agad.
Wait lang, yung librong ulit yun.
Yun ulit. Okay.
Yun ulit.
So,
Wait lang, i-verify natin yung ibang symbol, yung
Sige.
pangalawa.
Yung
Nasa taas niya, ano, pa letter T, wala yung
letter T.
kaliwang, wala yung kaliwang arm ng T.
Oh, yung right arm lang. Pero same pa rin, angular
Oo.
pa rin yung
Kasi yung pangatlo yung, ano, yung oblong ng
Oo.
ulo.
Tapos yung
Okay.
yung rectangle na mata, tapos yung bilog yung bilog yung ulo ng tinid. Okay.
Tas,
Okay, period. Okay, so far west corner, 2 steps north,
2 steps north. Oo,
Oo.
2 steps.
but not before taking, wait lang, take 1 step south, but not before taking 2 steps east. Wait,
But
Okay.
not before taking 2 steps east. So,
Okay.
kanan muna ako.
wait. Huh? Okay, it says, starting in the, wait, basahin ko yung buo. Starting in the far west corner, 1 moves north thrice. Take 1 step south, but not before taking 2 steps east. Continue towards the eastern wall, then head toward the end of it all.
Okay. Gets ko.
Okay. But not before taking 2 steps east.
Okay na.
Ay, okay na? Oh, shit.
Ah.
Ang galing mo naman. Oh, nakabukas na yung isang pintuan. Period.
Ano naman to?
What?
Ay, parang-
Nasa theater ako.
Sa theater, okay. May levers ako.
Feature show.
Wait, may
Blood
nagsasalita. May nagsasalita.
Scene 1.
Oh, wala nang nagsasalita.
Mga levers akong nakikita dito.
Can I climb this? No.
Pero hindi ko alam kung anong
Ayan na,
story.
makakapasok ako sa backstage. There's a fucking cellar door. How do I figure out the story? Is there something here? Ay,
Scene
ito pala,
one.
ito.
There once was a
There
castle
once-
Narinig
filled
ako.
with life.
There once was a castle filled with life.
Castle filled with life. Hindi ko alam kung anong inaano ng levers though. Wait lang. Tingnan natin kung makikita mo kung ano yung nagalaw.
Okay. May mga lalabas ata dito kapag may inano kang lever. There once was a castle filled with life. May inano ka na. Oh, yung lumabas is like the king.
Ay, okay. Bumabalik ba?
Yeah, bumabalik.
Eto.
Ito naman is the queen.
Oh, ay, mali. Balik ko siya. Ay, hindi baka kailangan sila kasi castle.
Yeah. Filled with
Eto, ano to?
It's the king. Wait lang. Yung king pero may sword. Yung king pero parang may kalaban, may hawak siyang
Okay,
sword,
okay.
tapos duguan
Balik
siya.
natin.
Yeah.
Eto.
Ito naman, yung mga tao ng castle, may jester, may dalawang noble people, may isang nobleman, may isang peasant girl. Ayan. Like, nagalaw
Castle.
siya, pinapagalaw mo?
Oo.
Ayan, mas gumit na siya. Hindi naman super gitna, pero yeah. Ito yung queen, yan. Tapos yung king,
Ano yung gumagalaw ngayon?
ano to, entryway?
Ay, mali.
I
Eto.
think it's an entryway,
Entryway. Baka yun yung sa castle.
maybe.
Ano yung kailangan
Yung king, wala pa yung king.
Ay, okay. Ito yun, diba?
Yeah, ayan. Medyo igitna mo pa yung entryway, I think. I don't know.
Kitna?
Yeah, igitna mo yung entryway.
Tama ba yung direction?
Oo. May castle pa, may iba ka pa bang ma-flip dyan?
Wala
Or
na.
yan-
5 lang eh.
Okay, so... so, yung entryway, yung king, yung queen, yung townspeople, tsaka yung duguan na king, yun lang.
Oo.
Okay, there once was a castle filled with life.
There once was a castle filled with life.
Isasama ba yung king and queen?
There once was a castle filled with life. Parang feeling ko hindi. Kasi yun
Sige,
pa rin yung
tanggalin
audio eh. Uy. What the fuck is that?
Bakit?
What the fuck are you? Oh my god.
Bakit?
There's like a fucking puppet ghost shit. Oh my god.
May nabi.
Go-
Wala na ba yung king and queen?
Wala na.
Ano pa ba yun
There
nandyan?
once
Townspeople.
was a castle
Nasaan nakapwesto yung
filled with
townspeople?
life.
Nasa pinaka-right. I'm keeping an eye on this bitch. Oh wait, napalabas mo yung king na duguan.
Ay, mali. Sorry.
Girl,
Hindi ko ano
oh
pala
my
yun.
god, there's this fucking dude. Oh my god.
Itong townspeople.
Yung townspeople, medyo off-centered pa sila. Konti pa. Ganun pa ng konti. Hello?
Okay na?
Konti pa. Hindi mo na siya napapagalaw?
Ay, hindi na.
Yung entryway, mapapagalaw mo pa ng konti.
Ay, okay. Baka isasagad talaga.
Yeah. Wala.
Okay na?
Okay, siguro sagad na yun.
There once
Okay.
was a
Okay,
castle
pupul ko tong lever.
Filled with light.
Scene 1 nakalagay eh.
Oh, ayan, scene 1. Ay! Gumagalaw siya, Ramir, Billy, please,
Full
scene
ko.
1.
There once
Ayan, oh my
was
god,
a
very
castle
good.
Filled with life.
Parang nag-i-spread yung
Oh
something
my god.
shit na meron sa kanya.
Yeah. Tapos,
And there lived a king with his wife.
Ano na
and
yung
there
scene?
lived a king and his wife.
Lived a king and his wife.
So, yung
Okay.
king and queen. Tapos, scene 2.
King.
Paglapit, isagad mo. Girl,
Yeah.
pag eto may jump scare, wait lang yung iPad ko, kalong-kalong ko, be, gago.
Sagad na ba sila?
Medyo magkalayo pa sila. Pero hindi mo na siya magagalaw?
Hindi na.
Okay, scene 2.
Okay na yan.
Oh,
Oh, hindi gumana.
no. I think kailangan mo yung entryway.
Kailangan ni entryway. Okay.
Yeah.
Ilang... Sabi mo kung tumigil sila.
No, they're not moving.
Ay, nandun pa rin ba?
Yeah. Isagad mo yung entryway.
Akala ko bumalik.
I'm the fucking ghost, man. I swear. Okay.
Tumigil na?
Yeah, tumigil na. Ah! Okay,
There live
ayan. Okay, very good.
Ang ina, ba't may mga jumps here?
Hindi, walang jump scare pag gumagalaw yung puppeteer.
Ba't may nananakot dyan? Team 3.
all were happy and all was good.
And all were happy and all was good. So, lahat sila ilagay mo dito.
All were happy and all was good.
So, lahat sila, bukod dun sa king na duguan, isagad mo ha. Nandito ako sa pinakalikod ng stage. Ayokong lumapit dun sa fucking multong yun. So, isagad mo lahat.
Masabi kong tumigil na yung king.
Tumigil na.
Okay. Mga 5 ating ikot. 3, 4, 5.
Ayan,
tumigil
tumigil
na ba?
na. Tapos yung townspeople.
Townspeople.
Wait, scene ano na to?
Scene 3.
Scene 3, okay.
4, 5.
Okay, scene 3.
Yung tumigil na.
Scene 3.
All were happy
Oh my
and
god.
all was good.
Period. Okay.
Scene 4 na.
Oo, scene 4.
Until the king killed all he could.
Ano daw?
Until
Ano sabi?
the king killed all he could.
Until the king killed all he... Ay! Until the king killed all something. Basta ayun. So, I think, tatanggalin mo yung queen and yung mga... Ayan, tatanggalin mo yung king, yung queen, tapos yung mga tao. Yun lang, yung entryway stays. Like, lahat beside the entryway stays.
Lahat beside the entryway.
I mean, yung entryway lang yung magsistay. Yung lahat
Okay.
is aalis. Girl,
Okay.
this fucking...
Entryway tapos yung king na dugo.
Oo, nagtatago ako sa likod ng townspeople. Putang ina!
Okay na ata. Hindi mali.
Girl,
Anong kulang?
girl, ay hindi mo pa natatanggal yung ano mga tao.
Hindi pa ba natatanggal?
Girl, I'm gonna die.
Ayan, umaalis na ba?
Yes, umalis na yung townspeople. Tapos yung king and queen.
Okay. Di pala sila umaalis.
Bitch, you're gonna kill me.
3, 4, 5.
Tapos yung king.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5,
Scene.
6.
What? Oh,
Wait lang.
I'm gonna die. Ramir,
Gago, ba't
lumalapit.
dumilim yung tanginang vision ko?
I died.
Ay, we died!
Yeah.
The marionette finished the scene.
So,
The
at least,
fuck?
alam na natin yung first
I know.
3
We
scenes.
know that.
Okay, so, hindi dapat
Ba't
tayo
bumalik tayo dito?
wish and make patumpi. Gago, nakasarado yung ano,
Bumalik tayo dito sa may ano.
sa
Sa may
chest.
pathway. Hindi, sa pathway.
Sa pathway? Okay. Anong
Yung before
libro?
ng room.
Ano yung libro?
Yung ano, yung boat na rectangular. Tapos
Yung-
circle yung prong na
Yung parang last
angular.
time.
Oo, parang last time. No?
Kaya mo na yan. Charot. Starting in the
Yun
far
ba
west
ulit?
corner. Yun pa rin ba?
Far west corner.
Starting in the far west corner, one moves north, tries take 1 step south. So 2 steps
Okay,
north
okay.
lang. But not before
Get-
taking
get.
2 steps east. Continue towards the... Ayun.
Okay na. Ayan, scene 1. Let's go. Let's do this already.
Fucking Mario. Putang ina, pagtalikod
Lalabas
ko,
ko na.
may multo. Putang ina.
Lalabas ko na yung entryway.
Welcome to tonight's
Ayan.
feature show.
Okay, tapos ilabas mo yung king, yung queen, yung townspeople. Go,
Mali.
girl. Tangina mo, Marionette. Fuck you. Ang cool ng puzzle na to, though.
Kaya nga.
Clever.
Townspeople.
Isagad mo Sige. Ayan,
Sige,
isagat
Good
mo
night
lang.
po. Bye-bye.
Night. Bye-bye.
Night.
Ayan, scene.
There once was a castle filled with life.
Wait,
Ay, may
what?
mali. May hindi pa ba
There once
nasasagad?
was a castle filled with life.
Yeah. There once was a castle that put to sea in the name of the ship Isabelle of the... Girl, are you pressing shit?
Oo.
Girl, why did I...
Bumabalik ba?
Oo, hindi pa nakasagad
Okay.
yung entryway do, and nandito na yung marionette.
Putang ng...
The king and the queen.
Wala pa yung king at queen.
Wala pa.
Bagal naman umikot nito.
Okay. Scene... Wait, nakasagad na ba?
Okay na ba?
Okay na. Try. Huh?
Ala! Oh my
There
god.
once
Ganun fucking...
was a castle filled
Ano pa bang
with
hindi nasasagad?
Entryway?
Wala namang
I think.
naririnig.
Yung entryway?
Entryway. Ano?
Entryway,
May gumagalaw ba?
Wala. Entryway, king, queen. Huh?
May gumagalaw ba?
Wala. Gumalaw na yung marionette.
Hello?
What the fuck?
There once was
Ganun pa rin ba yung
a
story?
castle filled with life.
Oo, there once was a castle filled with life.
Baka wala yung... Ano ba ginawa natin? Di ba may king and queen?
Yeah. Ay, hindi, walang king and queen!
Wala. Yung people lang, no?
Bobax.
Ang
We
inabi.
got too excited. We got too excited. Wala na yung queen. And scene.
Idis ng pag-ikot tong ina.
Ayan.
There once
Okay,
was
putang
a
ina,
castle
marionette. Huwag ka
filled
mauna.
with life.
There once was a castle filled with life.
Tapos yung king and queen sunod, no?
And there lived
Oo.
Tama ba?
with his wife.
Oh, there lived a king with his wife. May entryway ba to last time?
Ang alam ko mayroon.
Oo, may entryway kasi hindi natin tinanggal yung entryway.
Yung townspeople nandyan?
Wala.
Wala. Okay.
Yeah, after every
Yung entryway nandyan?
wala. Kasi after
Wala pa.
every scene, nawawala lahat ng ano, bumabalik
Okay.
lahat ng pieces.
Ayun, dilim na yung paningin.
Ayan. Ayan, scene. Lumapit na
There
siya
lived a king with his wife.
and his wife.
All were happy and all was good.
All were happy and all was good. So lahat.
Okay. Oh, we're happy and all's good. 7 na ikot at 2, 3, 4,
Yung hindi ko gets yung isa and the, wait, may subtitles ba dito? Subtitles. Walang subtitles.
Oh, not ay, butang na yung maling
Oh, girl, hurry.
townspeople.
Ayan, nakasagad na. I think. Okay.
All were happy. And
All were happy.
Oh, we're happy or ano. Ayan, hindi nawala lahat ng pieces. Okay. Wait lang. Shh, muna. I will try to listen to this.
until the king killed all he could.
Until the king...
Until the king killed all he could.
Until the king killed all he something. So, tanggalin mo lang yung king. Try mo. Yung king lang tanggalin mo.
Nandiyan pa rin yung ano?
Yan, nandito pa rin lahat. Nandito pa rin lahat.
Okay.
Oh my god!
King killed all he could.
What's next? Oh shit!
Grabe,
sound
tama
effects.
nangyayari.
Okay, next. Shh.
Standing in blood, he proudly said.
Standing in blood, he proudly said. So yung bloodied king. Ewan ko kung may entryway though.
He stands ano?
Standing,
Standing in blood, he proudly said.
standing in
Anong
blood.
anong nasa stage?
Standing in blood, yung bloodied king. Standing in blood, he proudly said. Yun lang. So I think yan.
Okay.
Okay na yan?
Yan lang.
No, kailangan ng entryway. Kailangan ng entryway. Kailangan ng
Sige.
entryway. Putang inang entryway to! Ayan. Okay na. What? So, ha?
Ano yung nasa stage? Yung Blooded King lang, no?
Oo, tsaka yung
Standing
yung
in
entryway
blood,
at saka
he
yung blood.
proudly said.
Standing in blood, he proudly said. Yun lang. So, baka yung queen? Andun din yung queen? Ay, ba't ba tinatanggal yung blooded king?
Sorry.
Yung queen.
Ay, mali. Yung Queen?
Yeah. I don't know anymore, dude. Go. Oh my
Okay,
god.
tanggalin ko ulit yung ano, yung...
Yeah. Try.
Proudest?
Try.
Okay. Okay, baka yung Blooded King lang talaga.
Hindi siya gumana kanina.
Bakit hindi gumana?
Standing in blood, he proudly said. Baka may townspeople sa likod niya.
Baka nga.
Girl, hurry. Malalapit to tong marinette na to anytime. If wala pa to, then, yan. Go. Ha?
Okay, baka...
Entryway. Ay, girl.
Hindi entryway.
Girl, he's near. Then,
Ano?
na-try na natin
Ilalagay-
yung may entryway lang eh. Tsaka yung king, hindi gumana. So, siguro yung entryway, tapos yung king at yung townspeople. Go. And my queen.
Sige, ilagay natin.
Okay, try. What? Haven't
Putang
you
ina
tried
yan.
everything? I'm gonna die pag lumapit ako dito sa actually next na is patay na ako.
What if I remove everything? Ang bagal naman ng pag-ikot.
Kaya nga eh, the fucking marionette is posing in front of me.
Come on, please.
No.
Ha? Ay, baka yung bloodlight!
Ah,
Hello?
yeah, I think need yung entryway.
Yun ata yung
I'm gonna die,
kulang.
papakamatay na ako.
Nakalimutan ko na may
Yeah.
bloodlight. Shit.
Bitch. Okay, sabihin mo na lang agad anong pattern.
Sige.
Yun, kung yun pa rin, or...
Inuulit. Okay, ako na bahala.
Okay, period.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, period. So, first scene
Ladies and gentlemen,
is entryway and
Pathway,
welcome to
people.
tonight's feature show.
tapos next is kasama na yung king and queen. Ay, yung king and queen lang. Ata, I mean.
There once was a castle filled with life.
Wait, nawala yung nawala yung entryway.
Ito wala.
There once was a castle filled with life. Ayan. Go. Ayan.
There once was
Uy,
a
gago.
castle filled
Nangyari
with
sa... Ayan.
Next is...
Tapos king.
and there lived a king with his wife.
Oh, tapos
Tapos
yung
natanggalin
entryway
yung
din.
townspeople.
Oh, tsaka yung entryway din. Oo. Bale lahat. Bilis mo naman, Marionette. Fuck you, bitch. Girl, yung entryway pa
Ay,
sa
sorry.
townspeople. Ay! Mapapatay ako dito, be.
Wala na yung townspeople.
Wala pa, be.
Di ba may entryway?
Wala yung entryway, be. Nawawala siya kapag every scene.
Ayaw nga
Dun
pala.
sa isang scene.
Oo nga pala. 4, 5,
Tapos yung townspeople, wait. Wait. Oh my god, gumagalaw na yung marionette. Go. Wala yung townspeople. Pero, tama ba? Walang townspeople.
And there lived
Ayan.
Wala.
a king with his wife.
Okay, ang next ay...
All were happy.
Ayan, lahat na. Townspeople, king, queen, entryway. Balik mo na, ayan. Yun na yung townspeople, isagad mo lang. Ayan, okay na, sagad na yung townspeople. Then the entryway, queen, king. Period. Then the king, the entryway, and we're all good. Don't forget the bloodlight,
King.
okay? Naka-on mo yung
Oo,
bloodlight.
yung bloodlight. Hindi, naka-off ngayon.
Okay. Tapos entryway. Ayun, masasagat na inabit, and scene.
All were happy, and all was good.
Tapos yung pinatay, no?
Oo, tanggalin mo lang yung king. Yung king, normal king. Ano itsura ng puzzle mo? No? Curious lang ako. Ano mga pinipinta?
Mga ano lang.
Ay, tangina yan
Mga
lang.
iniikot lang.
Damn. Anyway, okay.
Ang
The
tedious though.
scene.
Until the king killed all who heard.
Ito na ba yung bloodlight?
Oo, yeah, bloodlight.
Standing in blood, he proudly said,
Standing in blood, he proudly said.
Ano yung nasa staging yun?
Bloodlight.
Wala.
Wala.
Yung
So,
king lang.
siguro
Siguro king lang.
king lang and entryway, I think, or sige.
Try muna
try
natin
yung
king.
king lang. We have a lot of time. Malayo-layo pa yung marionette. Okay,
Okay, entryway.
If the entryway, kung entryway hindi rin gumana, baka kasama rin dapat yung queen or something. But I think entryway na lang yung kulang.
Di ba pinatay na yung tao? Baka entryway lang.
Yeah, entryway. Queen.
Sige, queen.
If wala pa rin, we need the townspeople. Townspeople.
This is weird.
Kung hindi ganon,
Baka,
I have a plan.
baka hindi siya yung bloodied.
Hindi, yun yung bloodied eh. Try mo.
Di
No,
ba
alam ko
hindi
na,
yung
alam ko na,
bloodied
alam ko na. Ibalik mo ng konti yung bloodied king. Ibalik mo ng konti. Ay, dyan yung direction niya. May iba pa bang bloodlight?
Bloodlight lang, isa lang.
So,
Hindi.
siguro yung king nga, normal king nga lang.
Baka yung normal
Kasi
king.
dito sa side ng normal king yung bloodlight eh.
Okay.
So, tanggalin na natin yung mga tao. Iwan na lang yung entryway. Medyo lumalapit na yung marionette. Wait, try mo to bago natin tanggalin.
Sige.
Okay, tanggalin na yung mga tao at yung queen.
Kasi patay na sila.
Yes. And the queen. Bye, girl. Okay, try. Tanggalin yung entryway.
Tanggalin yung entryway.
It's fucking tedious, man.
Tangin naman. Tangin naman yan.
Try.
Standing
Ayan!
in blood,
Fuck!
Putang ina, bukas na siya!
How do I escape?
Nakabukas lang yan, pero hindi ako
Oh my god,
nahuhuli.
gago. Oh my god, I'm outside. What is this? Oh my god, wait. Nasaan ka? Like, may tatapakan akong pressure plate. Tapos...
You cannot fall. Nakabukas yung trapdoor, pero hindi ako mahulog.
Ay, ano, E.
Ayaw nga pala eh.
You
Okay.
press E. Hello,
Ito
hello,
na ata
hi.
yung last. Oh my
Press the trapdoor,
god.
press the trapdoor. May trapdoor sa likod mo.
Ito yung betrayal eh.
Bye, bitch.
Bye! Naiwan.
Oh my God. Damn.
Was this sacrifice necessary?
Yes, it was actually. Dahil ang ina.
Ang iniwan
Oh
lang.
my God. Ang cute naman.
Hindi man lang kumuha ng bato.
Cute naman nun. Tagal natin naglaro ah.
Tangina yung putang inang part na yun.
Oo, dun tayo pinaka nagtagal. Damn.
Wow, okay, nice one.
Yeah. Period.
Finally.
Tapos din putang ina.
Uh,